I've been basically begging Elgato to make a Wave XLR with 2 XLR inputs for like a while now because I wanted that so badly and they delivered. Thank you so much, Elgato, for sending me the Elgato Wave XLR Pro. You're the best. You are the best. Thank you so much for making this. I needed this. So this is an XLR device where you could put your XLR microphone in and it will convert that to a signal that your computer can handle. And it can handle 2 microphones at the same time. Yeah, so if you have a guest, you can guess, you can actually have 2 microphones, one for yourself and one for your guest, so you don't have to speak to the same microphone. It's really awesome. Really, really awesome. Let's unpack it. Shake it. It says, give your setup superpower. Okay. Okay, I got it out. Cool. 3, 2, 1. What? Look at that. The Elgato logo on the front. In the back we have a screw to like screw it on a tripod or something like that. Then this is the front part. I guess this was the top. This is the front part where you can combine a normal headphones and like a bigger headphone plug that people use in studios. And then on this side we have 2 XLR ports, 2 headphone ports. Yes. A line in and a line out. Here we have aux and host. There's a little box in here. I'm guessing there's a cable in here. It is a USB-C to USB-C cable. There is important safety instructions in here as well. A quality assurance paper and a quick start guide. All right. So the headphone ports on the front, these are channel 1 and on the back are channel 2. The software that you need to download for this to work is the Wave Link software, the 3.01. Or maybe if you watch this, it will be like 3.1 but like not the 2 point anymore, the 3 point, okay? Because there's like 2 USB ports here, it might be difficult to decide which one you need to connect to your PC. It's the one that says host. And if you have a console or a second PC or a phone or something like that that you stream from for a second PC setup, that is the one that goes in aux. So that's basically audio in. It is really, really small. In volume it's not much bigger than the Wave XLR is, but it's like wider than it. I've seen more mixers that support 2 XLR ports. Usually they are quite bigger than this one. So I'm quite impressed with the size of it. Especially because it's also a mixer, because you can use the Elgato Wave Link software to mix everything with. You can use this mixer as well without a PC, by the way. So that is something really cool. You cannot use the Wave XLR without a PC, but the Wave XLR Pro you can use without a PC. It has 80 dB gain for both microphones. So you do not need like an amplifier for your microphone to make your microphone sound louder, because they're going to be loud enough. It runs DSP effects and VST plugins right inside this hardware. You can hear yourself with extra low latency, so that is really nice, because then you can hear feedback and you know if you're talking loudly, if you're talking quietly, if you're saying words weirdly or not. I've connected my microphone to the Wave XLR Pro right now, and you can see it here on the screen. So we're going to click on Get Started. We can see what the ports are for right here. I've got my headphones plugged in this one. And my microphone is plugged in this slot, microphone 1. And this is for second headphones if you want to. I kind of already explained that, so I'm just going to click on Continue. Place your microphone. Yes, we did that. So you can have for 1 and 2, and it will basically set the gain for both of them. And I will speak into the microphone for it to automatically set the gain. So just need to talk for 10 seconds and it will determine the gain. Okay, now it did. It set the gain for us. So it's probably better than just a second ago. Okay, continue. And here we can say how loud our headphone output needs to be. This is fine for me. Okay, continue. There's no second headphones connected, otherwise you can also set the volume for that right here. Real-time monitoring. Okay, here we see mic 1, mic 2. This is the line in, so on the back you have line in, and that's like an aux port that you will send audio through inside this thing, so you can have like a third mic in a sense if it has a 3.5 aux cable. And this is with a USB aux. So this is like the aux and not the host input. So you can have 4 mics in a sense, but 2 XLR mics. Okay. You can have this setup to go off again if you click here. If you need more power, you can set the high power mode on. And then it will come into your mix right here. I do have some other devices in here as well. But this is like how it splits up. So we'll have your mic 1 in here. It will have your mic 2 in here. It will have your aux input in here, your USB aux, and your line in, which is the 2.5 port. And then here you can add it to your personal mix, your streaming mix, and your chat mix whenever you want. So if you want to add this to your stream, you just click here and now it comes into your stream mix as well. If you want to mute it, just mute it like this. You can also make buttons on your stream deck to mute it as well. You've been hearing this microphone, which is the Wave DX, the whole time, by the way, with the Wave XLR Pro when you were in this segment, not when I was at the table because, well, it was not connected then. If you have any questions about this device, please leave them down below in the comments so I can reply to them. I will do my best to answer as many of them as I can. And if I don't know the answer, I'll try and find out because I don't know. I'm not like an all-knowing person. I know a lot, but not everything. So I'll try my best to find out. Again, thank you so much, Elgato, for 1, making this, and 2, sending this to me because I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. I fell in love 11 years ago, but I think I fell in love again. Yeah, I'm in love again. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Like, seriously, really appreciate it. This is like one of the best pieces of equipment you guys made. I think I cannot say it's better than the Stream Deck because the Stream Deck is just so good. But I think I'll give it a 2nd place. Is that weird to say? I just really love it, okay? I just really love it.